OpenGL is an industry-standard 3D graphics API. OpenGL 4.1 layer or later is required to run many 3D modeling software. OpenGL drivers are usually installed together with the rest of the graphics driver and support software, such as DirectX. How to check properties of your PC without installing third-party application. Be aware. To check machine and specific hardware property, never install any free third-party tool. It may make your PC compromised to security very easily. To check your graphics card property installed on the system and the version of OpenGL running without third-party application, follow the instructions. First, check the graphics card type. Click Start menu. Right Device Manager, hit Enter. Click on the arrow key on the left of Display Adaptors. It will show the graphics card installed in the machine. Right-click on the graphics card and select Properties. It will give you some details. But it's not enough. To get further detailed information, click Start, type DXDIG, and press Enter. Now you will have access to diagnostic tool listing the graphics card information. Click the Display tab. Look more information about your graphics card. Check the OpenGL and OpenGL version. On your desktop, right-click the mouse or touchpad. Select Graphics Properties. You will have a graphics control panel. Since my graphics card is built-in Intel card, I have the options like Display, 3D, Profiles, Video, Power, Options and Supports. I can change the every properties from these options. I can have graphics card detail and OpenGL and OpenGL version from the last option of the control panel. So click on Options and Supports. Here is all detailed information about graphics card I want.